morning student, how are you? Now today we understand the lesson number 26, that is coordinate geometry. Okay, so in this chapter we have to understand what is the x-axis, what is the y-axis, and we have to plot some points on the graph paper. Okay, so what is the x-axis and y-axis? This horizontal line is called the x-axis and this vertical line is called the y-axis. Okay, suppose and the intersection point of x and y, intersecting point of x and y is called the origin. This is the origin. Okay, where the x and y axis intersect each other, this point is called the origin. Okay, now then this is called the positive x-axis, means suppose this is +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 and so on, means +6, +7 to infinite. And this is the positive y-axis, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6 and so on to infinite. This is the positive x-axis from 1 to infinite. This is the positive y-axis +1 to infinite. And this is the negative y-axis. It is also a y-axis but negative y-axis, means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and to infinite. And this side, this is the negative x-axis, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. Understand? This is the positive x-axis, this is the positive y-axis, this is negative y-axis and this is negative x-axis. Okay, now this portion is called the first quadrant. The area, this area is called the first quadrant and this area is called the second quadrant. Okay, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant and this one is fourth quadrant. Okay, so first, second, third and fourth quadrant. Now what is the sign of the first quadrant? Okay, the sign of first quadrant, this is the positive axis and this is the positive y-axis. That's why this sign will be plus and plus. Okay, in first quadrant the sign will be plus and plus. In second quadrant this sign is minus and this sign is plus, so that's why the sign will be minus and plus, minus and plus. And third, this is minus and minus, means that in third quadrant the sign will be minus and minus. In fourth quadrant the sign will be plus and minus. Understand? First quadrant sign plus plus, second minus plus, in third minus minus and in fourth plus minus. Now this we suppose we have to plot some numbers 1, 2. Okay, so 1 and 2 both sign plus plus, means this 1, 2 lie in the first quadrant, because in first quadrant the sign is plus and plus. If you have to plot the 1, 2, then both sign is plus. That's why this 1, 2 lie in the first quadrant. This 1 and 2 is called the element and this group is called the ordered pair. If we write two number in bracket and we use comma 1, 2, that it is the ordered pair, and this first number is called the abscissa. This first number is called the abscissa and the second number is called the ordinate. First number abscissa, second number ordinate. Okay, so suppose we have to plot the number 1, 2. Okay, so first number on the x-axis is 1 and the second number on 2 means this is the 1 comma 2. Now suppose we have to plot minus 4 comma 3, minus 4 comma 3. So minus 4 is the abscissa and 3 is the ordinate. First number abscissa and second number ordinate. Minus 4, first number always represent on the x-axis and the second number on the y-axis. So minus 4 means negative x-axis. So first we go from this side minus 4, then 3 means this is the minus 4 comma 3. Okay, so this point lies on the second quadrant because the sign is minus plus, and we already discussed that in the second quadrant the sign will be minus and plus. Now suppose the point is minus 2 comma minus 5. In this ordered pair, both sign negative sign means this point lies in the third quadrant. First represent for x and second for the y. So minus 2 means x and minus 5 in the y. So minus 2 comma minus 5. This is the ordered pair and this point lies in the third quadrant. Now suppose the point is 2 comma minus 5. 2 comma minus 5, first sign plus and second sign minus means this point lies in the fourth quadrant because in the fourth quadrant the sign is plus and minus. First represent for x and second for minus. So 2 comma minus 5. Okay. So this point lies on the fourth quadrant. Okay, so like this we have to plot in this exercise, we have to plot some points on the graph paper. So you have to check what is the points. Take any point, suppose 4 comma 5. Suppose you have to plot 4 comma 5, then 4 comma 5. This is 4 comma 5. So like this we can solve, we can plot the ordered pair in the graph paper. Okay.